Can I change the registered owner of my AirPods?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll delve into a topic that has intrigued many Apple users. Can I change the registered owner of my AirPods? The answer to this question is nuanced, and we're here to demystify it for you.
Understanding AirPods registration.
Before we dive into the process, it's essential to know what we mean by the registered owner of AirPods. Technically, AirPods do not have a registered owner in the same way that Apple devices like iPhones or Macs do. When you connect your AirPods to an Apple device for the first time, the device name will default to your name S AirPods. The name is derived from your Apple ID and is used to identify the AirPods.
Changing AirPods name.
While you can't directly change the registered owner of AirPods, you can change the name of your AirPods on any device they're connected to. This might give the illusion of changing the registered owner. To change your AirPods name, 1. Connect your AirPods to your Apple device. 2. Go to the Bluetooth settings of your device. 3. Find your AirPods on the list of devices. 4. Click the icon next to your AirPods. 5. Tap on Name, then enter your preferred name for the AirPods. This change will apply to all the devices connected to the same Apple ID.
Changing the owner by pairing with a new device.
If your intention is to change the owner, i.e., to connect the AirPods with a different Apple ID, you can achieve this by pairing the AirPods with a new device. 1. Place the AirPods in their charging case and leave the lid open. 2. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. 3. On the new device, go to the Bluetooth settings and select your AirPods from the list of available devices. After following these steps, the AirPods will adopt the name of the new Apple ID and will be associated with it, effectively changing the owner. So, while you can't formally change the registered owner of AirPods like you might with other Apple devices, you can alter their name or pair them with a new Apple ID to achieve a similar result. We hope this guide has shed some light on the topic, and remember, every day is a school day in the world of tech. Stay tuned for more helpful videos.